Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kachi. You're welcome to my kitchen. Today guys, I will be teaching you this delicious soup you're seeing here. It's called peanut and cocoyam leaves soup. So guys, let's get to it without wasting any time. So guys, the ingredients we'll be using for this soup is our protein. Today I'll be using chicken and the gizzard. I'll be using peanuts. This is fried groundnut. Yes, the peanuts, you know. This is the cow skin and the stockfish. This is the smoked fish. We'll be using it. This is the chopped onions for my protein. This is uziza seed. This is how it looks. If you are not in Nigeria, just go to any African shop. You are gonna get it there. This is the pepper. We'll be using the yellow Scotch bonnet pepper. We'll be using crayfish, salt to taste, and seasoning cubes. So guys, the first thing you will do is to season your protein and set it on the heat. I'll be seasoning with the seasoning cube, that's onion and salt to taste. So guys, when we put it on the heat, we'll proceed by blending our granite. This is the granite, the peanut that I am blending. I pour it into your blender, add a little water and start blending. So guys, we are done blending our peanuts. We'll be checking our protein. The protein is ready, it's half cooked. So I go in with the smoked fish. Guys, the blender I used in blending the granite, I didn't wash it. I used the same blender to blend the pepper and the crayfish. So the water you saw in the protein won't be enough for the soup. So I added water into the blender to wash all of them. That is the first thing I poured in there. So I went in with the red oil, the granite, and the vegetable. This vegetable, you can use any vegetable of your choice guys, but I use cocoyam leaf. This is what my mother-in-law taught me. As a matter of fact, I've not tasted this soup before. Married to an Enugu man, my mom-in-law taught me how to cook granite soup, and it's so delicious. Look at me testing it. Look at me testing it. I had to snap this and send to them to show my mother-in-law that I've made one of the food he taught me. After marrying my husband, I had to go down to the village to learn some of this food of my people, of my husband people. And today guys, I want to be teaching you this delicious soup, and I hope you will love it. Just look at it, so tasty, so yummy guys. You're gonna love this soup, man. Guys, you can eat it with any swallow of your choice. Today I'm taking it down with the semolina. You can eat it with a pounded yam, with your fufu, with your gari, with your wheat guys. You're gonna love this soup. So delicious. Look at me dancing while eating this food, guys. This is so good. So good. I couldn't wait for my family to come back. I couldn't wait for my hubby to come back. I couldn't wait for my children to come back from school. So guys, I started eating already. Guys, you're gonna love this soup. I just pray you're gonna give this soup a try. Do not just watch and pass, just watch and also try it. You're gonna love it. I love you all and thank you for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel guys, please do your girl a favor by hitting that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell guys, so that anytime a new video drops on this channel, you're gonna get to watch it. I love you guys and thank you for stopping by. See you in my next video guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Bye. See you in my next video guys. Thank you for watching.